And I am Mimzy's mom, Mama Kemp. And together we're going to record this presentation for you that Mimzy and I put together.
Bugs and shrimp in your garden.
A young scientist's guide to amazing insects. And here in the corner is a picture of Mimzy with a roly-poly bug that she found.
It's so cute.
And in the top corner, that is a picture of an earwig that Mimzy drew.
And that's also peeking at you, so you better watch out it might go potty on you.
Oh yeah, we better watch out. Okay, so Mimzy, can you tell everyone a little bit about you?
I really like bugs, and that's the emotion that I really like. And moths are my special favorite.
Yeah, moths are your favorite?
Because they eat mosquitoes.
That is important.
So I won't get to see this. Thanks, moths.
Thanks, moths. Yeah, bugs do a lot of good stuff. All right, so this is the first slide. It's called Bees, Butterflies, and Weevils. These are the flower helpers. Mimzy, do you want me to read this, or do you want to read it?
Mommy, I'm going to make a sound effect.
You're going to make sound effects? Okay. So bees and butterflies visit flowers to drink nectar. While they do that, they carry pollen from one flower to another, helping heirloom plants make seeds and fruit so they can grow again next year. Okay, now we're going to go into weevils. Okay, and guess what? Some kind of weevils also help pollinate certain heirloom plants, especially tropical ones and plants in the palm family. So in the upper corner is a picture of a weevil that Mimzy drew, and then in the bottom corner is a picture of a bee buzzing around.
It didn't have and it is a little squirrel in it that she's trying to shoo out.
She's trying to shoo out a squirrel. Yeah, mammal.
It has her bow.
Yeah, mammal invaders are kind of a problem with some bees' nests, huh? Okay. Now the next one, this is ladybugs, lacewings, and earwigs, the aphid patrol. You ready to read this one?
Yeah, I make a sound effect.
You still making sound effects? Okay. Ladybugs are like tiny garden heroes. They eat aphids, which are bugs that can hurt our heirloom plants by sucking out their juices. So in the top right corner is a ladybug that Mimzy drew. Okay, next are green lacewings. They also eat aphids, and their babies are called aphid lions because they gobble up so many. And then lastly, there's earwigs. Now, Mimzy, do you remember when you were little and I was scared of earwigs? Yeah.
Oh, Mommy, did I pick it up?
Yeah, Mimzy, we lived in the house, an older house with a lot of rotting wood. And so we had a lot of earwigs. And Mimzy called them her little buddies.
Yeah. And you can get me mini ice cream that was green flavor. It was so good.
Yeah.
And the cone was mint leaf.
Oh, yeah, they're sharing ice cream.
Yep, we had a party when they were asleep.
But the one thing about earwigs, which I learned after Mimzy became fascinated with them when she was 2, is that they do eat garden pests like aphids, mites, and small caterpillars. And so they actually help a lot of our heirloom plants without needing bug spray.
Oh.
So that's pretty cool. Alrighty. Now this slide's called Ants, Soil Diggers,
and
Garden Cleaners. Do you want to read this one?
No, I like it.
You're still doing sound effects? Oh boy. Okay.
Scoop.
Ants dig tunnels in the soil, which helps air and water reach the roots of heirloom plants. They also clean up messes, helping the garden stay healthy for favorite old varieties. Some ants even protect heirloom plants by fighting off harmful bugs like caterpillars and invasive beetles. So we have a problem here in Vermont with the Japanese beetles that are invasive, don't we, Mimzy? Yeah.
And are the shiny beetles are invasive ones?
Mm-hmm. They are.
So that's why your ladybugs are important and other stuff.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't kill bugs. They might be able to help with your aphids.
Yeah.
And other stuff that might be able to kill your garden.
Yeah, like those invasive beetles. Even though they're shiny, they're not good for the garden, huh?
And once they die, you can pick up samples of them and give it to me in Vermont. It might take a whole day when we move here. So you might have a whole day coming to give us a sample.
Oh, you want a sample of other people's bugs for your lab?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we'll see, sweetie. We'll see. Okay, now we're getting to Mimzy's favorite types of bugs and insects. Yeah, so this is beetles and spiders, the soil team. Ready to read? Oh, you're still doing sound effects? Okay. Grove beetles and ground beetles also live in the soil and eat pests that can hurt heirloom roots. And spiders, they're the silent guardians of the garden. They eat flies, invasive beetles, and moths that might harm heirloom plants. Spiders keep the garden in balance so heirloom varieties can grow strong. So what's your favorite part about finding a spider in the garden?
Is that they eat the mosquitoes and all the stuff that might take the blood and with like diseases and stuff that might hurt you.
Yeah, they take care of a lot of those, like mosquitoes with their nets. Yeah. And what's your favorite type of spider?
It's the black widow.
You like the black widow the best?
Because they have a monarch logo and monarch has got zero, which is basically a snake that has legs and feet.
Godzilla's basically a snake that has feet. Yeah, people are learning so much from this, Mimzy. Okay. Now, I'm going to have you read this one, okay, sweetie? So this is bugs and heirloom plants.
A special friendship. All kids
Kinds
of bugs work together to help flower
heirloom plants
grow some
pollinate
flowers.
Others protect
leaves and some help make the soil healthy.
heirloom
plants need bug
buddies
to stay
strong and be passed down from generation to
generation.
Good job. Okay, I want to have you read this one too, Mimzy.
Let's be bug friends. Bugs are your
heirloom plants
best friend. We can help both bugs and plants by
planting native
flowers,
making
bugs
houses,
and not
using sprays
hurt insects. Thanks for being kind to bugs.
And there's a picture of Mimzy with a katydid.
Yeah, it was a baby katydid, I think.
Yeah.
This is gonna destroy for its first
Is there anything that you want to share with these people listening about bugs?
is that aphids are basically food and predators, and they might be able to help any problem or anything.
Yeah, and is it important that people are kind to bugs in the garden?
Yes,
And how do bugs help the ecosystem, your garden ecosystem?
because they're predator, food, and helpful.
Yeah, and some of them can pollinate. Even weevils can pollinate.
I know because you're so cute.
And because they're so cute. Well, thank you everyone for your time. And here is a big thank you to all of these people that have helped really foster Mimzy's love of science and curiosity. And then here is the works cited that I put together. So if anyone needs to fact check any of the information, it's in there, except for the part about Godzilla. I didn't fact check that part. But, all right, thanks everyone. Bye.
Bye.